Have you ever thought about living an Erasmus experience as a teacher? In my case, after having this opportunity, I can't find the words to describe how transformative my experience was, both in terms of the valuable training I received and the personal and professional growth I achieved. From an educational perspective, my time in Greece enriched my teaching skills significantly. I had the privilege of collaborating with passionate educators who were eager to share their knowledge and expertise in an amazing course about drama techniques useful in education. I learned innovative teaching methods that without doubt I'm going to apply in my daily life. This experience not only enhanced my pedagogical toolkit, but also gave me a fresh perspective on education. On a personal level, my days in Greece were an incredible adventure. Immersing myself in the local culture, cuisine, and ancient history was an enriching experience that broadened my worldview. I made lasting friendships with people from all over Europe, and the cross-cultural exchange was invaluable. I also developed a greater sense of independence and adaptability as I navigated daily life in a foreign country, something that I've never experienced before. Professionally, my Erasmus experience opened doors I never thought possible, and I consider it as a pivotal chapter in my life. It enriched my teaching, broadened my cultural horizons, and opened up exciting new opportunities in my career. I am immensely grateful and I can't stop recommending it.